Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Thanks for joining me. So in today's video we're going to be unboxing and building this stand for the new Discus Aquarium, and we'll also be doing some unboxings of some hardscape materials for that tank, as well as taking a little look around the room and some updates on some of the animals. So if there's something you're interested in, then please stay tuned. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, so I'm in front of the Discus tank today because we're obviously looking to upgrade their tank. Now we are going to be building the stand for it today and unboxing the hardscape materials. And if you're a new viewer to this channel, then first of all, hello. If you do me a massive favour and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. But I think that's enough of me waffling on for today. Let's get this stand built. Sorry, I'm really close, but I just want to give you a quick update on the new betta fish. You can't really see, so I'll throw some B-roll in because of the lighting. But we did look at this new betta fish on the first Why Not Wednesday video we did, and I did ask you guys to put a suggestion forward for a name for him. Now, I did have a couple of names, but I couldn't really use them. I've already done for copyright every time that I did. So, I've decided to call this fish Steve! Yep, so my new betta fish is named Steve. So we've had Gary, we've got Bruce, and now we've got Steve. So, I hope you like Steve. I'll throw some B-roll shots so you can have a look at him now. But drop him a comment, say hello. Why am I talking nonsense? Let's just get on with today's video. So, we've got plenty of boxes to get through today. We've got 3 massive boxes of hardscape materials for the Discus Aquarium. So we'll start unboxing that now and see what we've got. Okay, so this is the lightest of all the boxes. So let's just see what we've got. Every day is like Christmas lately. I think every day is a delivery. Can you complain? Okay, so what have we got? So you probably can't see me. Okay, some packaging. Look at that. Okay, looks like we've got our filter, which is quite big. I'm still here. Oh, right. Whew, it's hot in here today. It's hot in here every day. Right, okay. So we've got the Awase filter. So this is the Awase Biomaster Thermo. So it is a 350, so it does up to 350 litres. Now the new Discus tank is only 180 litres at the moment, and they will be getting an upgrade eventually. But this will definitely do more than what it needs at the moment for those fish, as well as adding the 206 canister filter on there, which should also help with the filtration and beneficial bacteria as well. So great, I'm glad we've got that. Okay, so the smallest one is the heaviest one. Now, I apologise if I'm heavy breathing into the mic, but there's some heavy stuff. Okay, what have we got? If this is not substrate or gravel, I'll be really surprised. The box doesn't want to open. It's stuck down. Okay, it's glued as well. Let's hope it's glued. Okay. Okay, I think I've opened this the wrong way around. We will persevere. Sorry about the noise. Okay, finally. Okay, so we got some JBL volcanic mineral, which is what we wanted. Again, not the lightest of packages. Let's get rid of the box. Oop. Okay, so some JBL volcanic mineral. So the reason I bought this is I want to create a base layer in the Discus Aquarium just to give a bit more room for beneficial bacteria to cling on to. It's also good for root growth as well. So we'll be using that in the next couple of days. Make sure you subscribe and you miss out on those videos. Right, time for the last one. Whoops. Almost took the rack out with my ass. Right. Last one. It's pretty heavy, so I'm hoping the rest of the gravel and substrates are in here. Okay. Let's see what we've got. Plenty more packing paper. Okay, so we got some Hugo Kanishi gravel. So this is just for grading out the sand in the Discus Aquarium. You should have 2 bags of those, 2 kilos. And anything I'm opening right now, I'll leave links down in the description for you as well. Okay, so I wanted a little bit more finer grade as well, because we're going to be using sand in this aquarium and then gradually building up with gravel, stones and pebbles. So hopefully we'll get good use out of that. Now I'll put links in the description for any of the items we're unpacking or talking about today. And okay, last one. Let's get rid of the box. Okay, so we've got some Tropica Aquarium powder substrate. So this will go on top of the volcanic mineral, and the finest stuff is a lot easier to plant into. So hopefully we'll get a lot of stem plants as well as some epiphyte plants as well. Okay, so now we've got through some unboxings. We've got plenty of stuff to crack on in the next couple of videos with the Discus Aquascape. So in the next video, I'll be showing you moving it into place. It's already moved. As you can see, Castro's tank is not normally where it is. So I have already moved the room around, and I'll be in the next video. So if you're a new viewer, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And as always, if you're a regular viewer, if you can give me that thumbs up and just drop me a comment just so YouTube are enjoying this sort of content and allows me to make more videos like these. But that's enough of me. Let's crack on with today's video. Okay, so finally we got the stamp built. So I wouldn't say I'm quite the king of DIY. Not too bad with a screwdriver, but there's a reason why I didn't show you the doors being put on. I put the wrong hinges on. So it was relatively easy to put together. The instructions weren't very good because they were for a different cabinet, so all the parts didn't really match. But we got there in the end, and now the tank is sitting on a lovely new stand, so we can start cracking on with this room. And for those of you who've been following for a while, now we can start concentrating on some reptiles in the future as well once we've got this set up. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and our notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And for those dedicated followers, if you can just give me that thumbs up and drop me a comment just to show YouTube are enjoying this sort of content and allows me to make more videos like these. But I hope you've enjoyed checking out the unboxing of this stand rather, and obviously we've put it together. We checked out the Hardscape for this tank, and as you can see, I've been playing around with some. But there's plenty on this to come, as well as the rest of the room and the rest of the animals, so make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell. But in the next video, we'll be moving this tank into its final place. We'll be moving some of the other enclosures around to make room for it, and eventually we'll be getting rid of the tank that the Discus did come from, as well as the chest of drawers, and we can replace that then with some new enclosures. So hope that it keeps you entertained. I hope you're excited about the changes. I know I definitely am. So if you want to make sure that you follow me along for the journey. Oh, I keep saying journey a lot lately. What's that about? Plus, I keep doing this. What's this? Apparently my girlfriend says I do it all the time anyway, but I don't think I do. By doing videos. I'm just talking nonsense now, so I'm going to shut up. Thank you very much for joining me. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next time.